welcome back, and we are going to straight into breaking news where Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, former Wrestling Federation of India chief and BJP MP, in fact is in trouble. We're given to understand that the court has found sufficient material to frame charges against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. A big development that's coming in, being tracked by my colleague Ananya. In fact, the court has said that Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, the charges against him will be framed under section 354 and 354A against all accused. To break it down in simple layman terms, I'm being joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar. Ananya, give us the updates.
Well, the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, ACMM Priyanka Rajput has charged the BJP MP with the allegations of sexual harassment of 5 women wrestlers. In fact, he's been charged for sexual harassment of 5 women wrestlers. He has also been charged with the offense of outraging the modesty of a woman. Though he has been discharged in all cases with regards to the 6th wrestler, but for the 5 of them, he has been charged for sexual harassment. In fact, he is also charged with the offense of criminal interpretation with respect to 2 women wrestlers. To the detailed order copies to come out, but very clearly and categorically a big setback coming in for the BJP MP, who will now have to face trial in this particular case. Here, charges have been framed against him under various sections of the IPC for, sexual harassment of 5 women wrestlers, and also with regards to, outraging the modesty of a woman. Another charge that comes in against Mr. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh is with regards to the criminal intimidation with respect to 2 women wrestlers, though with regards to the victim number 6, all of the charges against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh have been discharged. So a big setback coming in for, the BJP MP, who had been since the very beginning claiming that he has not done anything. He had said that he was, for some, he had said that he was not in the country, but very clearly and categorically at this particular point of time, the court believes, and it has said in its order that it has sufficient material to believe that this sexual harassment was done by Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Now, what happens next is that the order on framing of charges has been done by, in fact, the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court. On the next date of hearing, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh will be coming before the court. He will be signing, in fact, these charges that have been, framed against him, and then the court will ask him whether he wants to plead guilty in this particular case or would claim a trial. And if at all he claims a trial in this particular case, the trial will then start in this particular case where both these sides will be presenting their own evidence, and long deliberations would happen. But at this point of time, this is something that will be a big setback to the BJP MP. What happens next is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. Swastika.
Absolutely. Ananya, in fact, his son is running from Kaisarganj. In fact, for Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, who has been extremely, in fact, he has been vehemently denying all charges. As you rightly mentioned, he said that all the allegations leveled against him are allegedly fraudulent. He was not in the country. But tell me, what are you picking up from his legal team right now?
Well, his legal team would be using all their options, and though on the next date of hearing, they'll have to, present Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh before the court, and he will then be charged for filing in fact these charge sheet. The charges, he will be in fact signing these particular documents, and then would be telling the court as to whether he wants to plead guilty or claim trial in this particular case. And this is a big setback coming in. But the legal team might also exercise their legal right to actually go and challenge this order before a higher court. But what happens next is something that only time can tell, and we'll have to wait and watch for the next legal move. In fact, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh's legal team and him as well. But at this point of time, this is a big order, clearly being charged of sexual offences, sexual assault offences, and very clearly and categorically, not only for him personally, but for the BJP also, it might backfire. The opposition might, question, in fact, the credibility of the leaders of the BJP as well. So how does it play up politically? It's something that we'll get to know in a few hours from in the next few minutes, in fact, and the next few hours as well. So how things play up, it's something that we'll have to wait and watch for. But definitely, it's a big setback coming in for the BJP MP and former Wrestling Federation of India chief, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh.
How does it impact his son on the ground who is running in the Lok Sabha elections? That's also going to be an interesting point to watch out for, even as Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh remains extremely defiant of the allegations leveled against him by the wrestlers. Remember,